Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to delete Need for Speed account. If you no longer want to keep your Need for Speed account or want to remove your data from EA, then first of all go ahead and open up your Need for Speed application on your mobile device. Once you're in the home page signed in, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. Now from the menu on the right, tap on Your Data Choices. Under Your Data Choices, click on Delete My Account. Remember that once you delete your account, it cannot be undone. You'll permanently delete your account in game progress. The account deletion will not cancel any relevant subscriptions that you may have. Simply go ahead and tap on this I understand box at the bottom and click on Next. And then type in Delete in the text box. And finally, click on Delete My Account at the bottom right. Soon after you do that, you will be able to process with the deletion request. EA will send you a confirmation email once your deletion request is being processed or complete. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.